Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new update on Bigtime, or new update, just an update and an analysis on Bigtime. I haven't covered it since it started to be very, very bullish. I have kept my eyes on this. I mean, in general, Bigtime is just a coin to keep your eyes on because every once in a while it just rallies a lot. All right, so you always need to be you always need to be alert for that. I had been following it with this kind of structure we had right here for a long time. Did I buy it? No. All right. I wasn't active enough. It was the 12th of September. It was my birthday, and I did not buy. But it's still bullish here. All right. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts. A lot of you have also requested me to cover Bigtime. So here we go. We'll do a full update. Mainly on the technicals, all right? Because fundamentally, look, I think most of this move is actually more some sort of manipulation. It all started with that Upbit listing, of course, of Bigtime the 5th of September. Then it already started to be a little bit more traded. Volume started to go up. Volatility started to go up. And what you see at this point of time is that most of the volume, and that means over 70% of the volume, is coming from Upbit and BitDump, which usually, if that's the case, there's some sort of manipulation at least going on. But that doesn't matter because technically, like I said, it is still very interesting. If you look at Bigtime right here, volume has dropped down a little bit, but it's still in the top 15 in terms of volume, with $112 million being traded right here in futures, right? And then another 120 in spot, I believe, at least. If we go to perpetuals, no, perpetual futures is even more. But some of these sources are a bit shady, so yeah. All right, but it is bullish. Also, if you look at the technical structure, Bigtime itself, like I said, fundamentally not much going on. I know they launched some sort of a Telegram application, so that could help. But I think most of the movement is still because of that Upbit situation. So what we're seeing right now, in terms of the technicals, is we see a solid breakout we had obviously last week, and then what we're forming here is still some sort of an uptrend. If there's loads, that would be amazing, because you can clearly see that we are still holding the levels we break above, right? So a previous resistance level we had, for example, if we go to the 12-hour time frame, is some sort of a level right here between 10 cents and 10.5 cents. We had that resistance level, broke above that, have successfully held that, and now the last level we broke above is kind of this level right here at 11.5 and 12 cents, and so far we're also holding that. So as long as we're holding that, structurally we are bullish. And then the fact that the volume is also still relatively high makes me believe that we can still see new highs on this. Now, if we look at the momentum situation, right, so the open interest here, I begin to be a little bit more worried, because here you can see that the momentum we haven't seen we haven't seen since last week Thursday, right? So here we gained a lot of momentum. That was great. Ever since, the price has seen higher highs right here, as you can see, but the open interest, or how many positions are being opened, therefore the momentum has dropped down. And then what you can see as well is that the RSI is also dropping down. So what that is that's a double bearish divergence. Now, does that matter that much with coins that are partially manipulated? No, but it is something to know. All right. So would I buy Bigtime right now? No, I wouldn't. What I would do, and what I think a crucial level is this level right here between the 382 fib and the 0.5 fib. And there we need to get a strong reaction. And then I think it's interesting, right? Because there is still a possibility we can get up to that 14.5 and 15 cents level. But what we need to see then is that when we drop down into this main support level, like, we are definitely going to get a reaction from this support level. But what we need to see is that we do not only find support there, but that we also see a massive influx of momentum. All right, so something more like this we saw instead of this. If that happens, if we actually can get that open interest increase, and we can actually get a higher high in terms of the open interest compared to the top we made the 15th of September, then I think we can rally up to 14.5 and 15 cents, and that's also the major opportunity. If we can't, so if we form a if we form a lower low in the RSI and the open interest, then we'll just find support here, but ultimately fall back down towards this level here at 10 and 9.5 cents. So that's what you need to know. So in short, in summary, it depends a lot on how we react to this level. If we react to this level with a lot of bullish momentum, open interest rallies up, RSI makes a higher high, then I think we can still make higher highs with the price as well. If we don't, we'll just hold the level for a bit before falling down lower. And those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. I think we covered all different scenarios here, so hopefully it was valuable to you, but I'll leave it up to you. If it was, consider liking, subscribing. That's up to you, of course. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great week, and bye.